If we told you that there are some crazy drones under $50, would you believe us? There are a ton of awesome drones that won't burn a hole in your pocket or disappoint your expectations. A lot of well-known brands have released budget models that definitely don't lack in the high quality department. Drones under 50 don't always have flashy features and the best specs, but they do come with a lot of beneficial factors that all serious drone enthusiasts will no doubt make use of and love. Even though budget drones aren't exactly tough to come by, we've tracked down some of the best drones under $50 that are worth your time. Number 1. EACHINE H8 Mini Quadcopter. The H8 Mini by EACHINE is currently going for around $20. It is the perfect mini quad for those who want a flexible model that can handle everything you can give it. It features a headless mode, CF mode, 1 key return to home and 360 rollover. Able to perform 3D tumbling in multiple directions and 360 aerial stunts, rolls and flips. Has 4 LED lights for low visibility flying. Uses 2.4 GHz transmission with 4 channels. Uses a 6-axis gyro system, a 150 mAh LiPo battery. Total flight time of between 5 to 7 minutes. Has a transmission range of up to 30 meters and weighs less than a pound with a total size of 5.3 by 5.3 by 1 inches. The biggest pro that this mini quadcore has to offer is that it's great for both indoor and outdoor use, thanks to the fact that it's relatively easy to fly and control. Unfortunately, however, it can be difficult to fly if there are problems with the propellers. Sometimes they will fight to turn properly and work together. Number 2. JJRC H36 Mini Quadcopter. The H36 Mini by JJRC comes in at around $18, making it the cheapest drone under $50 we've got on our list. It's the perfect choice for those wanting the cheapest drone possible that still has a lot to offer. It has headless mode, 3D roll, 1 key return to home, speed file, side fly, uses a 6-axis gyro system, has LED lights for low visibility flying, uses 2.4 GHz transmission with 4 channels, takes a 150 mAh LiPo battery, total flight time of up to 5 minutes, has a transmission range of up to 30 minutes and weighs less than a pound with a total size of 1.8 by 3.3 by 3.3 inches. The biggest pro for this drone is the durability factor. It can take quite a beating despite its super small size, which has no doubt shocked quite a few users. Users have reported that the controller is very sensitive and that it can be difficult to control, so make sure you get some practice and know what you are doing at all times. Number 3. Hubsan X4H107L Quadcopter. The X4H107L by Hubsan is quite the little powerhouse that currently sits at a price range of around $35. It is a great choice for those who want something that's a little more advanced while still sticking to a budget price. The X4H107L by Hubsan comes with a propeller rotor protection guard, uses normal and expert flight modes, has LED lights for low visibility flying, uses 2.4 GHz transmission, total flight time of between 6 to 8 minutes, has a transmission range of up to 100 meters, takes a 240 mAh LiPo battery, able to perform barrel rolls and flips, comes with an extra set of blades, 6-axis gyro system, and weighs 1.1 pounds with a total size of 3 by 3 by 1 inches. The best part about this quad is the fact that you actually make modifications. It can be extremely difficult to make modifications and make a mini quad your own, but this one can handle it. It's also incredibly durable too. The biggest con, however, is that some people have received darts, so make sure you go through a complete setup checkup type before you get your hopes too high. Number 4. The HS170 Predator Mini by Holystone. This HS170 Predator Mini by Holystone will run you around $40, making it one of the most expensive budget drones on our list. This drone, however, has some specs and features that we know will no doubt surprise you. It features a headless security system, wind resistance and headless mode. Uses 2.4 GHz transmission with 4 channels, total flight time of between 6 to 8 minutes, uses a 6-axis gyro system, has a transmission range of between 30 meters to 50 meters, includes 3 different speed modes, has LED lights for low visibility flying, takes a 350 mAh LiPo battery, weighs less than a pound with total size of 5.3 by 1.6 by 5.3. The headless flight system is the best pro this quad has on lock. It orients to the flight of the drone through the controller to make it easy to master and a lot more fun to fly. Although it can be pretty difficult to control unless you are in a wide open area with little crash hazards. Syma X20 Mini Quadcopter. Last but certainly not least, the X20 Mini by Syma. You can expect to pay around $27 for this beauty, which is better deal than you could hope for. Believe us, it has a headless mode, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, 1 key 360 degrees roll and altitude hold, uses a 6-axis gyro system, has LED lights for low visibility flying, total flight time of between 5 to 7 minutes, has a transmission range of up to 50 meters, takes a 180 mAh LiPo battery, uses 2.4 GHz transmission and weighs less than a pound with a total size of 2 by 5.9 inches by 10.2 inches. The biggest pro is that it only takes up to a half an hour to charge, which you could rarely, if ever, see in any other drone on the market today. This is amazing charge time as far as they go. The biggest con, however, is that you may have some difficulty flying it. Most users have reported that it's usually quite a breeze to fly, but a lot of others have said that they have some trouble with this aspect of the drone. Do well to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For notifications on our latest videos, you can click the little bell, and you can also check out the links to the product in the description, as well as leave your comments and questions below. We shall see you in our next video.